Welcome to the Charles and Gloria Jones Library Tutorials. This tutorial will show you how to use the research guides to help you find online resources. Beginning at the library homepage, select Research Guides in the first column. The link opens to a list of all the subjects for which the library has prepared a research guide. Select the subject you need to research. I'll try Bible and Theology. Notice the options available to you. Let's look at a couple of these guides. First, since I'm interested in electronic books that are commentaries on the New Testament, I'll select New Testament e-book commentaries. Next, select the tab for the New Testament book you are interested in. Let's select the tab for Philippians. The first column lists the electronic books on Philippians. Let's choose the first commentary and download a section of the book to read later. The e-book will open to the Table of Contents page. Select the chapter you want to download to read later. For instance, if you were studying Philippians 2, 1 through 11, scroll to the first page that provides a commentary on Philippians chapter 2. Once you are on the first page that you need, select the PDF icon to save that section of the e-book. When you do that, you may be taken to a screen like this. Click Continue. When you see this Sign In option, you will have to sign in using your LBC username and password. Your username and password is what you use for Schoology or for your LBC email account. You will be taken back to the same page, but now you will be able to download the section onto your computer. Once again, select the PDF icon. Then select the range of the pages you want. I will select pages 47 through 60 because those are the pages for the commentary for this passage. You are also given the option to select the citation style for your bibliography. Select APA and then click Continue. Click the button Open the PDF. The PDF will download on the lower right side. To download the article onto your computer or flash drive, first select the PDF. Next, click the download icon at the top of the screen. Give it a file name and save it on your computer in the folder you want. Now you can read it later offline. Let's go back to the list of research guides and try a different one. This time, let's try Biblical Studies. The link will open to the home page of the guide. Notice the tabs on the top of the guide. Let's open up several of them to see what they contain. First, let's look at the tab named Reference. This gives you two columns of books. The column on the left is the one that may be helpful to you. It is a list of electronic reference books on the Bible. Let's open one up to see how it works. How about the ebook Dictionary for Theological Interpretation of the Bible? This brings you to a list of the various essays in the book in alphabetical order. I will select African Biblical Interpretation. The essay will appear. You can read it online, print it out, download it, or email it to yourself. I'm going to download it so I can read it later. To do this, first select the Print/Export icon, and then select Download PDF for printing. The PDF will appear on the lower left corner of the screen. Click to open it. Then click the Download icon at the top of the screen. Give the saved PDF a file name and save it in the file folder you want. Now you can read it later offline. Let's return to the Biblical Studies Research Guide. Each of the tabs provides instructions for retrieving that kind of electronic material. So, if you are interested in searching for ebooks, select the tab Finding Books. If you are interested in finding journal articles, select the tab Finding Journal Articles. When you do, you will notice a list of databases that you can use to find journal articles in biblical studies. I suggest using ATLA Religion Database with ATLA serials first. If you would like to use reputable websites on the study of the Bible, select the tab Websites. A list of websites will be displayed that are reliable resources. For instance, let's look at the website Blue Letter Bible. To find a resource in Blue Letter Bible, select the tab Study at the top of the page. You can then see the kinds of resources available. Let's look at encyclopedias/dictionaries. Since I am looking for information on the Philistine god Dagon, select D at the top of the page. Scroll down to Dagon and click that link. you can see several resources that provide a short explanation of this early Philistine deity. You can access the information in the research guides anywhere you have internet access, but remember, you will need to access electronic resources using your LBC username and password. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the research guides to find electronic resources.